T-Mobile's 5G home internet offers a wireless, no-contract alternative to traditional broadband, ideal for those fed up with data caps, hidden fees, or cable hassles. It uses T-Mobile's 5G network to deliver internet directly to your home. Just plug in the provided modem, router combo, and you're online in minutes. Speeds typically range from 100-300 megabits per second down and 1030 megabits per second up, enough for streaming, video calls, and casual gaming, though ping times may not suit competitive gamers. Since it's tower based, speeds can dip during peak hours, and performance depends on your local 5G coverage. It's $50 a month with autopay, no equipment fees, no contracts, no data caps, and setup takes less than 10 minutes. Best for renters, digital nomads, or anyone wanting flexible, affordable internet in well covered areas. If you rely on ultra reliable uptime or live in a weak coverage zone, you might want to test it first. Overall, it's a solid budget friendly choice for everyday internet users in cities and suburbs.